Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Delivery app. First, download the Amazon Shopping app from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Amazon account details. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one in just a few steps. The home screen will then greet you with personalized recommendations and current deals, making your shopping experience seamless from the start. Placing an order is straightforward. Begin by using the prominent search bar at the top of the screen to find specific products or browse through various categories like electronics or home goods. Once you've found what you need, add the items to your cart. Take a moment to review your selections, ensuring quantities and specifications are correct. Then, proceed to checkout, where you'll confirm your shipping address and choose from your saved payment methods or add a new one. Keeping tabs on your packages is simple and convenient. Navigate to Your Orders section, usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your recent purchases. Select any order to view real-time updates on its journey, including the current location and estimated delivery time, often down to a 2-hour window. For added convenience, you can opt in for push notifications to receive instant alerts on any delivery status changes directly to your phone. The app also empowers you to manage your deliveries and returns with ease. If your plans change, you can often reschedule a delivery or update specific delivery instructions, like leaving a package with a neighbor, directly through the order details. Should an item not meet your expectations, initiating a return is simple. Just follow the prompts to generate a return label. For any further assistance, customer service is readily available through the app's help section, offering support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.